pipe vise. Pipe vise is used to grip round objects like pipes for operations like cutting, threading, etc. It has a cast iron base, moving jaw, screw rod and the rotating rod. The body can be firmly clamped to the workbench. It has a V-shaped portion which acts as fixed jaw. The top of the body has a threaded hole and a hollow rectangular slot. The movable jaw, which is assembled from the bottom of the base, is guided by this rectangular slot. The movable jaw has a toothed bottom of V shape. At the top, a hole is provided to receive the end of the screw rod. The screw rod is screwed into the base and locked with the movable jaw using grub screws. Finally, the hand rod is inserted and the hand bar globes are fitted at the ends.